Welcome back to the channel, everybody. So today we're doing the Jefe Airsoft 6mm Badger Black Friday mystery box. Now, this was a $200 box, so I'll be honest, I don't have extremely high hopes. It's just me, because I don't expect much of a pew for 200 bucks, but we'll see what happens. So I actually got this last Tuesday, and I was waiting for a nice day like today to actually open it up. So the suspense has been killing me. You know, I'm the guy that likes to shake the boxes and really wants to open stuff. So today we're going to be opening it with this. This is some custom scrap work, and don't ask me where I got it because I couldn't tell you. It was a Christmas present, but this turned out to be one of three. I got a different one for the last few Christmases, so I'll use a different one next time. So this little piece of scrap is I guess Darth Schrader. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. I don't know if you can see, this actually has some nice Jefe Airsoft tape. It is reinforced tape. The one end of the box is pretty, I think, holding on by one little piece of thread, so this shouldn't be too hard on this side. I'm going to use this tape. Let's see. Yeah, we got. Is there tape there? Yeah, there it is. His tape is cape is actually pretty sharp, so this shouldn't be too bad. But it's an awesome little piece. Come on, cape. If I can. There we go. Yeah, we'll switch corners. There we go. And done. Alright, so this does not open from the top, unfortunately, so I'm just going to have to kind of shake this and see what comes out. Let's see. Paper. More paper. No peanuts. It's a good thing. Let's see. Alright, I feel something in here. So we got paper. Little note from Jefe. Thank you for choosing to support my small shop. A nice little handwritten, hand-signed thank you note. It's kind of a cool thing you get from him. So along with that, we got a nice little Jefe Airsoft patch. So let me take that out, because I know glare on these plastic covers can be a pain. So there we go. A nice Jefe Airsoft patch. And along with that, I'm really excited about this one. We got a George patch. So this is my first George, so I'm happy. Now I can have George on my hat. I got a hat with a space for a patch on it, but I haven't really found a patch that I really want to put up there, so now we got it. George is coming with. All right, so we got two patches. Let's see what else we got in here. More paper. Oh, I feel more stuff. Okay, more paper. And we got another patch. Which is, of course, the 6mm Badger patch. Also a cool patch. Alright, let me see if anything else falls down here. More paper. I think that might be... Well, no, I lied. One more. Alright. Another 6mm Badger patch. In a different shape and size. That's very cool. Never have enough patches. All right, so let's see what the big box is. Oh, oh. Oh, we got more stuff in here too. Let me make sure there's nothing left but paper in here. Yep, that's it. All right. So we also got a pair of ear shields, which is nice. I don't like wearing the big giant ones, so these would be nice and compact. So what we have is a SEMA Matrix tactical system. Not sure what this is going to be. Let's take a look. All right, this was EVIC gun certification inspection. This is the SEMA Platinum AR-47. Nice. I do not have any ARs. Notes the selector switch on the right hand side for display only. Okay. All right. So let's take a look at this. There we go. Now, this is it's beefy. It's full metal upper, full metal lower, plastic handguard, plastic stock, metal key mod rail, full Picatinny across the top, flip up sights. Yeah, we swapped those rails out for some M-Lock, but yeah, I think SEMA's taking some liberties here, because other than the mag, which is definitely AK, the rest of this, for all intents and purposes, looks like M4. So it's a cool little pew. So yeah, we got a single side selector switch, one side mag release. Not sure. There we go. Adjustable stock. It's not a bad little pew. It's definitely got some heft to it, but still light enough. Still light enough to carry around without getting overworked. So that's kind of cool. Let's see here. We got a spin dial style hop up, which is nice. Does not do the thing. That's okay. We forgive them this time. So yeah, this is it says the FPS on this tag says the date of 8/22/22. The FPS was 380 to 395. So we'll have to see the next time we go out to the field with this. It's a mid-cap mag, so that's kind of nice. I'm digging that. Anytime I'm not getting high caps, I'm digging it. See if anything came in here. Don't see any kind of tools. Just a bag of BB, some poison nerds, and that's it. So yeah, not a bad little pew. Kind of excited to try it out. So I'm gonna look up the value on this, go grab a battery, put it in here, and we'll shoot off some test rounds. See how it feels. All right, be back.